Welcome to your 10-minute step out of your comfort zone practice. While we move through this quick flow, the invitation is to notice where you find yourself making excuses of why you are a certain way, why your body does this, why it doesn't do that. And the invitation for the stepping out of the comfort zone is to let all of those reasons go. I'm calling them reasons, they could be excuses, but to let them all go. So start in child's pose. If this doesn't work for your knees, you can come onto your back and let the knees fall wide with the feet together. This is your practice. You adapt it as you need day to day. Take another breath in here. Deep breath out. Tabletop on your inhale. Bring the knees hip distance apart. Exhale. Cow pose. Inhale, look up towards the ceiling. Exhale, round into cat. One more cow and cat. Inhale, look up. Exhale, round, look back. Tabletop, you're welcome to stay right here or take downward facing dog. Either way, you're building strength, you're breathing and seeing on purpose. Put a generous bend in your knees so you can press your armpits back towards your knees. Take another breath in. Focus your eyes to one spot, breathe out. Look to the front of your mat, breathe in. Walk your feet to your hands, breathe out. Bring your forearms onto your thighs, or let your head hang heavy as you grab opposite elbow creases. Just one breath in here. One breath out. Extended mountain pose, stretch your arms overhead. Hands to heart center, breathe out. Sometimes stepping out of the comfort zone is a simple or not so simple act of forgiveness. Letting ourselves be exactly as we are, exactly as we are not, might be a comfort zone to step out of. Reach up, extended mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, breathe out, bend the knees, fold deep. Flat back, breathe in, look out in front of your mat. Step back, high plank. Focus your eyes out in front of your mat, deep breath in. Either lay down onto your belly for a cobra pose or come up into upward facing dog. Downward facing dog, exhale. Focus your eyes, breathe in. Feel your hands and your feet into the mat, breathe out. Look to the front of your mat, breathe in. Walk your feet to your hands, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. Fold a little deeper this time. Go 1 millimeter further than normal. Chair pose, inhale, sit low. Check in, where's the comfort zone? You're like, okay, this feels doable. Stay in the breath in, and then step into the place where it's like, is this doable? Check in. See if you can go a little deeper. Take another breath in. See if you can go a little deeper, breathe out. Inhale, look at what you're seeing. Forward fold, exhale. Flat back, breathe in. High to low plank or no plank. On your exhale, inhale, upward dog or cobra pose. Downward facing dog. Right foot forward, warrior one. Step your right foot in between your hands, turn the back foot flat. Press down to rise up. Here's your warrior one in this moment. Breathe in, check in. Can you go a little deeper? Lunge into the front knee. Now listen, if your body is saying no, like physically for injury or strength, that's real. And see, could you go a little deeper to get a little stronger? Inhale here. Exhale, high to low plank or no plank. Inhale to cobra or up dog. Downward facing dog. Step your left foot in between your hands, warrior one. Turn the back foot flat. Press down, rise up. Experience your breath right here. Slow it down as much as possible. Sometimes that's an opportunity to step into a new place. If you could lengthen your breath a little more. If you could empty a little more as you lunge deeper. On the inhale, stretch your arms up, look up. High to low plank. Adapt the practice as your body needs. Inhale and invite it into a little further place. Downward facing dog. Big inhale, audible exhale. Lift your heels, look forward. Exhale, step or jump to the front of the mat. Flat back, breathe in. Hold, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, stretch the arms high. Lift the right knee up, standing leg raise with a twist. Bring the left hand to the front thigh and reach the right hand behind you. Pull your belly button to spine, breathe in. Look as far to the right as you can go, breathe out. Extended mountain pose, inhale. Standing leg raise, lift the left knee. Right hand to thigh, twist. Where is your comfort zone? It might be if you fall out, the comfort zone might be the reacting, shaming yourself, and the stepping out might be letting yourself off the hook. We wiggle and wobble and we fall all the time in life. Extended mountain pose, breathe in. Forward fold, breathe out. Flat back, breathe in. High to low plank or no plank, breathe out. Take a back bend, breathe in. Downward facing dog, breathe out. Right foot forward, warrior two. Make your way up to standing facing the side. Deep breath in. You may choose to stay here or take extended side angle. Breathe out. You get one breath in. Lunge a little deeper, breathe out. Star pose, breathe in. Warrior two towards the back of your mat, breathe out. Set your gaze over your left middle finger, deep breath in. Stay here or take extended side angle, breathe out. Take another breath in. Breathe out. Star pose, breathe in. Make your way onto your mat into a seated position for boat pose. Pull the shoulders back, lean back. Pull your belly button into your spine. See what you're looking at out in front of you. You may stay right here. You may open your arms. You may lift your heels. Take a deep breath in. Exhale, come down onto your back. Bridge pose. I like to try and hit on all the body parts, even in 10 minutes. We'll check in with the back of the body. Press your palms flat or clasp the hands behind the back. Take a big breath in. Exhale, lift the hips as high as they can go. Check in, where's your comfort zone? The comfort zone might mean backing off if your body's calling for it, and that might not be within your normal realm of comfort, or it might mean staying and lifting your hips even higher for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come down. Supta Baddha Konasana, bring the soles of the feet together, knees apart. Breathe in, breathe out. Bring your knees in towards your chest, give them a nice big squeeze. Waterfall pose. Extend your legs up in the air. You could tuck your hands under your hips. If you have a block, you want to put your hips on a block. Close your eyes and let yourself be right here. In and out. One more breath in. One more breath out. If you feel like you want to stay here for another 30 seconds, feel free. Otherwise, come into Shavasana just a few moments to let yourself be. Bring one hand to heart, one hand to belly. If this doesn't feel good for your low back, you can let your knees knock in towards each other. Big breath in. Open mouth, sigh it out. See how deeply you can relax. Let your breath be normal, natural breathing for just a moment. Make your way over to a fetal position, either side. Say to yourself, good job, self. You just did 10 minutes of mindful movement. Come up to a seated position. Bring your palms to touch at the center of your chest. Feel your fingertips touch each other. Take a big breath in. Open mouth, clear it out. Bring your thumbs to touch the middle of your forehead. In gratitude for this practice that came to us from India and brought us together today, we bow forward. And thank you. As you move through the rest of your day, notice, where could you step out of your comfort zone? It might mean backing off. That might be stepping out of your comfort zone. It might be stepping in, leaning in, going a little further. And know that you can breathe and see while you do the things. Have a beautiful day. Namaste.